Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I mentioned the potential for a move higher, despite the large red zone sitting below the 114,000 level. After uploading that video, we did see a short-lived increase of about 1%, but price was quickly rejected from the yellow dotted horizontal around 115,700. The rejection was significant enough to push Bitcoin into the red zone below. Unlike last time, when price stopped at the top boundary around 114,700, this time the entire area was cleared within the last 24 hours. During this move, the market shifted into the 113,400 zone, an area that triggered a long-wave ping via TradingView on the 4-hour time frame. Historically, this setup has often been one of the more reliable ones. Despite the recent volatility, the overall outlook remains unchanged. While some continue to discuss much lower targets, the focus remains on the levels directly above, where key activity is still concentrated. Looking at the heat maps, several important clusters stand out. On the one-day view, the nearest area of interest above current levels sits around 117,100. On the 3-day chart, we see a similar concentration around 117,000, and the 1-week perspective highlights a larger zone around 119,400. These remain critical areas to monitor over the coming sessions. Shifting focus to exchange-traded product flows, today's data shows an outflow of $523.3 million. Interestingly, one leading provider reported no selling activity, but another major issuer accounted for a significant portion of this number, moving approximately $246.9 million. Additionally, across derivatives markets, roughly $450.9 million have been cleared from positions within the last 24 hours. Of that amount, approximately $373 million came from positions aligned with rising price expectations, while about $77 million came from the opposite side. A major treasury firm bought 5,744 Bitcoin for about $678 million at an average price of $118,200. Meanwhile, Saylor added 430 more for $51 million, pushing total holdings past 629,000 Bitcoin at an average of $73,320. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you found this video valuable, and do not forget to subscribe and enable notifications so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.